Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this right here. So let's just take a look around the box, because I know a lot of you want to see that. What is sealed? And on this side, let me just zoom in a little bit, or focus this in, I should say. So there we go, I focused it in. You guys will be able to see the serial number. And there's others right there, plus the model, and what you're looking at, exactly. So that's on the side, okay? Then on the back of this, you're going to see some information, but it isn't much. Anyways, let's just open this up. So here we go. We're just gonna keep going with this. Put this on the side for now. And inside this compartment, we're gonna get a cable. Now this, from what I can see, is USB-C, but we'll take a look at it in a second. Got some manuals, and we got this. All right, so let's just put that on the side. Don't think there's anything else that I'm missing. Nope, there's definitely nothing else. And let's just take out the tablet from here. It was really tight in there. I can see, although it's brand new, I can see it already has some smudges. And even if I touch it, it gets smudges right away. Anyways, before we take a look at that, let's take a look at everything you guys get within the box. This is it. And this is an unboxing video after all, so you get to see everything that's inside the box. And I do have a setup video where you guys get to see this in action. Anyways, right now let's just keep taking a look at everything. So for example, the cable. Now, keep in mind that although you get this cable, you don't get a brick. So you're gonna have to purchase your own brick or just hook it up to your computer in order to charge this guy up. Or else there's really no other way. Other than that, cable is pretty standard. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. So there we go. I don't really see any writing besides up here. And again, around the cables themselves, I don't see any writing at all. So it's a really, really basic cable. Again, there's no writing anywhere on the cables themselves that comes with this. Now we also get this with it. And you guys will notice why we need this during the setup process. Now we also get this paper that tells us stuff that's supposed to be for safety. But anyways, let's just put it on the side. And finally, we can take a look at the awesome tablet. So there's the camera right there. Now this, the serial number is really hard to focus there, but that's on the back. It's right underneath. And yeah, it's really tiny. So it's really tough to focus that in. So again, that was there. And then we have some branding, Samsung branding. Now here is the tablet. You guys will notice on the bottom, we've got this port. That's to charge it up. Got the speakers. We got our audio. And on the sides, we're gonna see these buttons. So you got your power button, more speakers, and here we go. So remember this right here? That's where we use this. But again, that would be for the setup video. But this is exactly used for this, to take out that tray. Actually, might as well take it out, although I'm doing that in setup video, but it doesn't really matter. And if you guys ever lose that, it's okay. You can use an earring. Usually take that out. And here you go. You guys can just place your SD card in here. So again, this is where your SD card would go. That's how the tray looks like. And you insert it there. Now we already looked at the other side, so we're not gonna take a look at that. But yeah, that's each side. So it's this side, this side. I didn't miss any sides. Again, this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna do a setup video later so you guys can see this in action. I'm gonna try to focus this in so you guys can see exactly how thin this is. So compared to my finger, that's how thin this tablet is. So it's pretty thin. I would say it's as thin as my iPhone, I would say. Now the tablet, you guys will notice the camera right there. And that's pretty much it. I can't really show you that much more about the tablet itself. It is pretty nice. It's a really nice design. It feels pretty sturdy, so it feels good. And I guess we will have to turn it on so you guys can see a little bit more about it. So all I can show you is the lens on the back. So again, here's the lens. And let's just turn it on so you guys can see it powered on. So we're gonna hold on here and it's turning on. All right, so this is the very first time it's turning on, so don't expect too much from it. It should take quite a bit to actually turn on. So again, the tablet is turning on for the first time right now, so you guys can check out a little bit of the resolution. But again, in a video, you can never see the actual resolution. But here it is, that's how it looks like. So it's a pretty good screen. It looks awesome, actually. But again, this is not a review. This is just unboxing for you guys to see exactly what you guys get inside the box, and that's about it. If you guys want to see this in action, again, setup video, check that out. And that would be it for this particular video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.